My name is Patrick Astredo. I'm with LA Metro. We're 11,000 employees strong. Our general annualized budget is a little over $7 billion. We service the entire county of Los Angeles with both bus and rail service. Pre-pandemic, we moved as many as 1.2 million riders every day. We went live in 2019 with a mobile application to manage a lot of our work orders. As of today, we have about 3,000 employees and about 11,000 transactions using Connixt. People are finding it very user-friendly. Teams are now expecting to use it as opposed to the older ways of doing things either through paper or through a desktop computer. So the adoption has been very well received. As a large agency like we are, and there's always some opportunity for changes and some improvements to be made to the application, we've presented those to the team. Boo and others have helped us through the development process and made sure that all of our requirements are met. The maintenance from an IT perspective has been almost non-existent for us. Well, certainly the pandemic has been part of the digital transformation throughout the world. That digital transformation has worked its way into the maintenance areas, from doing inspections on buses and processing work orders, really transformed the way they do business. The fact that you have the ease and the usability of a mobile app at your hand to be able to input information real time when you're there makes all the difference in the world. Because if you go back to the computer later on, try to remember what was done, it kind of gets muddled and lost during the workflow. So having the mobile app to be able to document things and get the data right. iMarq application allows us to take pictures of the actual situation that a technician is looking at. The technician doesn't have to annotate a lot of text into requests for work because they've got a picture of it. That helps tremendously in the workflow. Instead of having to go out and assess the situation and look at it to see what tools are needed or what parts are needed, they have a picture of it to be able to see that and respond accordingly based on what they see in the picture. Well, we certainly have to provide reports and information to the different agencies that require our information, our data. So once we get the data in, then we're able to report to the FTA. If they're asking the cost associated with heavy-duty repairs, then we can provide all that information. We have multiple needs. We're a large organization. We have bus, rail, facilities maintenance, general services, everything that you can think of that needs maintenance we have at some point in time. You met all of those, and that's been a valuable add to our organization, to its workflow, and to our employees. They value the fact that we're putting the effort into giving them better tools. That's our goal here, is to be the best in the world. This tool helps us do that.